Hi, I'm Simon from OUYA Reviews and I'm going to bring you our OUYA unboxing video. We received our OUYA in the post this week and we're going to unbox it for you. As you can see, it comes in quite a clean cut, nice packing. And let's open it up and see what's inside. As you can see, you get a nice banner, thank you for believing, and here is the OUYA. So let's start with the controller, shall we? As you can see, it's a nice matte effect touchpad, analogues. It's all packaged down, so you can see it's clearly been packed down as you put the batteries in the controller. Your trigger buttons, your analogues, your D-pad, and of course your buttons. Just hold up to the camera to see a bit better. And let's take a look at the OUYA itself. As you can see, it's a lot smaller than I expected. See from various ports. So you've got your Ethernet, your HDMI, USB, and power. As you can see, it's a very small unit. Nice cold to the touch, matte metal finish. And then, packed in the box, we have a couple of batteries for the controller. HDMI cable, which is a nice touch these days as most don't actually get shipped with HDMIs. With the power adapter, so let's open it up and have a look. As you can see, as this is a UK OUYA, it's got a standard UK plug and adapters. So obviously you can put multiple countries in there should you multiple countries depending on the voltage, obviously. And then the OUYA instruction manual. So as you can see, it comes in quite a clean cut, small package. The console and the controller matching nicely. Both actually are very cold to the touch. As I mentioned with the console, the controller, the brushed metal finish on the controller is actually cold to the touch, which is quite a nice feature, and it does sit very nicely in your hand. The analogues seem tight, buttons seem responsive. And so, very much looking forward to playing this now, and hopefully bring you more videos soon.